Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to find your WordPress username and password in Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account, then go to websites, and here you will see a list of the WordPress sites available on your account, and next to the WordPress website that you want to find the username and password for, click on this WordPress admin button. But before this, let's make sure that this is our WordPress website. Yes, this is our WordPress website. Next to it, click on WordPress admin. This way you will automatically be logged to your WordPress dashboard. Now to find your WordPress username and password, simply go to users and click on profile. Scroll down next to username. This is the username that you can use to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. You can either log in using the username or the email address. This email address, it's the same thing. And to know your password, you can click on next to new password, click on set new password. Here, fill in your password and click on update profile. This way you will know about your username, email address, and password to log in the case you don't know them and you want to log in to your WordPress dashboard. And this is how to find your WordPress username and password in Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.